I'm ready to fight! God! What's up, fam? We out here in Impala, Temecula, about to film some Terry, tearing it up, your favorite, Terry the Tank Miller, here at the 6th stop of the grueling road to Mammoth, the final stop, and then we'll be going to Mammoth Mountain to race some motocross.
I've been swimming inside the air eyeballs now for how long I don't.
Great start to the morning. I just locked my keys in my car.
Hey, buddy!
Yay, buddy!
That hair's getting a little light there, bud. I don't know if I can handle it. Need you to brighten that shit back up.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Third tab can get you anywhere from 100 feet to 120 feet. That's not precise. That's 20% difference.
Baseball isn't precise either.
Yes, it is.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, look,
Because in a
guys
strike
drive-
zone, an inch off the black is a ball, and an inch on the black is a strike. A little bit more precise than 20 feet, don't you think?
You know what? At the end of the day, all you need to do is make that jump. Need an umbrella, buddy?
I need an umbrella, buddy.
Hey, we don't have any umbrella, ladies. Dude, it makes so much noise.
Where do you want it?
Let's see here. Right there.
Grass Hills.
Yeah.
So you interview me, and then he's gonna interview you.
All right. We're here.
So you're here at Pala MX for round 5. No, that's not right.
Round 6.
So, yeah, well, we're here at the last race of the series for the road to Mammoth.
We out here.
Hey, bro.
We got Steve helping out.
Holla.
Damn, son, damn. What? No way.
What you know about 4K?
What you know about 4K? Terry's like, that drone's a joke.
They got bumper drones?
Bumper drones?
Right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We had drone wars before. We were in this thing, and like it was all these different drone guys, and we were like, let's do a drone war, and I'm like, all right, school them all. All you have to do is get over them, and just use your downwash to throw out their rotor. No, oh shit! I don't have control.
So this is how you operate a camera. Record. Okay, I'm in frame. I got it, Ian. Okay. Okay, no. Yeah. Okay, he's hitting the whoops. Okay. I got it all. And so that's how I bought my first Lamborghini.
I'm ready to fight! God! Jacuzzi,
Holla!
what are your projections for this day's race?
Well, I'm gonna say that it's gonna be dirty as fuck with a chance of mud. There's turn number 18, which is a really big mud pit there.
Swing, swing, swing that way. Swing that way. Swing that way.
They'll be like, damn, how'd you get that top-down view? You need to look at my titties, oh baby. Oh gosh, what is that?
All right, that's good.
1,100 feet, all right.
All right, now cut the props.
We going down.
Cut them. Cut them. Drop
Cut 'em
them out
off.
of the sky.
Okay, ready?
Like a bat out of hell. Just turn it off.
Don't you know nothing about extreme sports?
Extreme drone piloting.
Extreme sports. Extreme sports.
You ride like a girl. You ride like a dirty girl.
Well, you were in the women's class?
No, I'm not. They're in my class.
Oh, are you sure?
They're in the vets class. It's vets / women. It's just a coincidence that it's also pink, all right? That's the only leverage you have for that joke.
Oh, okay.
Only leverage. And you know what? I'm proud to be booby, pro booby,
Hey,
which
here.
pink is the color, right? Pink's the color, right?
It is, yeah, for breast cancer awareness.
That's right. Save the boobies.
Save the tatas.
Look at that white boy dancing.
Oh, may have figured out how to use this high-tech device. Whoa! Hey, gas is coming out.
Hey, yeah. Dave finally learned how to use the Walmart gas can.
This is high-tech stuff right here, man.
Yes, it's called the release valve.
I'd rather be on my own. I'd rather be
Rolling, it's a perfect shot. It's perfect. Put the lens cap on.
Yeah.
A what? A what?
Yeah. That's pretty.
It's done. Round 6 is over.
Almost forgot to outro with Terry. That's it. Thanks for watching that motocross edition of the madness that is the road to Mammoth with Terry the Tank Miller. We're hitting some ruts here. Don't forget to smile, subscribe, and send it.